everyone, my name is Bernie. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that notification button so you are notified when I post a new video. So I'm going to be reviewing the, I want to see if I can get my Huda Beauty, and this is Jaqueline number 20, and it is called the Classic. Now my thing is empty because I have them on. So I do want to remind everybody I put my eyelashes underneath my eyelid, so these could be much longer if you put them on at the top. This style is just so cute, so I'll do I'll do a close-up of them. Don't mind my daughter, she keeps shushing me. So I'll be doing like a super close-up on these, but this is what they look like kind of from afar. I think this style is really cute. These are kind of different. They have some brown hair in it and then some black hair in it, but for me you couldn't really see the brown because I put them on underneath, so, and you can see the brown on the top. I'm not sure if it'll make a difference or not. I don't know, I haven't really noticed them. They're all right to put on underneath your eyelid. These are not heavy at all. The band is not too thick, so I will be doing also an eyeliner with these eyelashes so you can see with and without eyeliner. These don't really remind me of any other ones. I think the only complaint that I always have complaints, that's not good, but I'm just trying to let you guys just, I guess I'm just trying to share my experience with these lashes. That's it. They did fall off the next day. I wouldn't say fall off, but they started to fall off on certain areas. And you know, I'm thinking of, I don't know what it is, but like some girls get like these little, I guess, tweezers that are to like clamp the eyelash so that I guess it stays longer, or I don't know what they're for, but that's what I assume they're for. I'm gonna start trying that out with thick lashes because that could just probably be the problem, but I'm kind of scared of them being too attached to my eyelashes. They're gonna be ripping my natural lashes out, and I've had bad experiences with that and I don't want to go through that again. So I bought these for $19. That is really pricey just for, okay, well I'll just tell you why. I was expecting it. I had more expectations for these lashes. Like the picture on the website looked really nice, and I'm not saying that these are ugly because oh my gosh, they're like a super, I didn't even realize, like even after I had even after I put on the lashes, I didn't even realize I even spent that much. I kind of thought about it. I was like, how much did I spend? This thing's coming off the next day. I think I'm just used to buying $7 to $8 lashes that it didn't even dawn to me that these are $19. Now it's okay, it's a really cute style. So anyway, another thing that I did not like about it is at the end of the eyelashes, they're like cut abruptly, like they're just straight. If you like that, that's fine. I'm not downplaying those when they just are cut just so straight and just, they just look even more fake. I know Kiss lashes, or I've seen other lashes, I can't really, I don't know, but they have like an angled cut so they look like real lashes, and these ones are just seriously just straight cut, just, but it's not like anyone's gonna go and look and say, oh my gosh, the cut of the, you know, the ends of those look horrible, or you know, whatever, because the style is just, it's super cute. See, the thing is, it's like from far away, and even in the picture you can't even see the way they're, like what I'm talking about. It's only like this is a thing that you would know. So yeah, this style, super cute. I wouldn't buy it again though for 19 bucks. I'm sure there's some other ones out there that, I mean, I don't know what I'm gonna do but I just don't want to spend 19 bucks on lashes. I just don't want to spend 19 bucks on lashes, and that's it. If they lasted like a week or two, then I would recommend these kind of lashes to like a one night not one night, just going out, because the style is super cute. And I know I keep saying that because they are. So yeah, again, cute style. All right, so that's it for this review. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.